我们注意到有关报道。
We noted relevant reports. The U.S., by allowing Lin Chia-lung to visit New York during UNGA, has provided a platform for Taiwan independence separatist forces for their independence agenda. It is a blatant interference in China's internal affairs. It severely undermined the One China principle and the three China-U.S. joint communiques and sent a seriously wrong message to Taiwan independence separatist forces. China strongly deplores and firmly opposes this. The DPP authorities has sent Lin Chia-lung to visit New York during UNGA. He has colluded with countries having so-called diplomatic ties with Taiwan, interacted with some U.S. politicians, pursued personal gains, and pursued its political agenda of soliciting U.S. support for independence. This is obvious for all to see. We would like to tell the DPP authorities and Taiwan independence separatists that any provocations for independence agenda will backfire. We also tell the countries having so-called diplomatic relations with Taiwan that they should not be manipulated and used by Taiwan independence separatist forces. The One China principle is where global opinion trends. Taiwan independence forces have no future. There is but one China in the world. Taiwan is an inalienable part of China's territory, and the government of the People's Republic of China is the sole legal government representing the whole China. The international commitment to the One China principle cannot be changed, and China's reunification will not be stopped. Next one, please.